Something very important. If you ask this machine stupid questions, I promise you, you're gonna get stupid answers. I'm gonna introduce you officially to 0.0001% of the probabilities that this thing presents to you. It really is, I swear that I'm not exaggerating with that statement. It's how big it is. And you're gonna buy it. Because if you really are interested in success and being a part of something that is massive, bigger than .com. What this is right now happening is bigger than the .com era, bigger than everything. The only thing that we can say is bigger than this is the development of the internet, which in itself, this machine is gonna depend on, right? Tell me what your content, what your brand is about, what your business is about. You're what? Yeah, so she said that she's a painter, all right? And she doesn't want to really be selling on camera or showing to the world her face necessarily. She wants to show her painting, right? So social media is gonna require that you create content, all right? You can't win the game on social media without content, period. It's like, that's the way it goes, right? This is the formula. Content, marketing, sales, period. Content is the value, marketing is the distribution of that value, sales is the, hey, thank you for consuming my stuff, can you buy me something from me, all right? That's basically how it works. The simplest way I could explain it, all right? So I'm gonna ask this thing right here on the content side of things. So number one is the message, right? The message, okay? So let's check this out. Let's be real here. I'm an abstract artist, right? I'm an abstract artist, colorful and happy, and I don't like to be on camera talking about my art. I just like to show my art and hopefully generate enough interest to sell a few paintings. Could you help me with social media content ideas? I promise you this is unscripted, all right? Let's see what this thing says. Okay, here's some social media content ideas that will help you showcase your abstract art without you having to be on camera, okay? Art in progress. Share photos or short time lapse videos of your work in progress, capturing various stages of the creative process. This can generate curiosity and interest in your art without you being in the frame. Okay, cool, all right, thank you, you understood me, right? Finish artwork showcase. Regularly post high quality photos of your completed pieces. Be sure to include information about the dimensions, materials, and inspiration behind each piece in the caption. Number 3, behind the scenes. Share snapshots of your studio space or the tools and materials you use. This gives your audience a glimpse into your creative environment. So we got content number 1, 3 topics, right? They gave me a bunch of topics on what to do. Okay, so let's keep on going on this line. It says, give me 10 ideas of social media content I can create. Keeping the above in mind in the short form video content, 60 seconds max. All right, let's see what it says. Okay, time-lapse painting. Oh, I haven't thought about that. Create a time-lapse video of your painting process, condensing hours of work into a 60-second clip that shows a piece evolving from a blank canvas to a finished artwork. Notice that it doesn't require you to be on camera, right? You know what it does require? You gotta put in the work. You don't have to be on camera, but you gotta do something, right? We're not selling a passive income business here, right? You gotta do something. Studio tour. Give a quick 60-second tour of your studio, highlighting your favorite tools, materials, and any unique aspects of your creative process. Artwork close-ups. You get the idea, right? And finally, the offer. Who's ready for mind-blowing part of it? All right, so check this out, all right? Help me craft an offer to sell my abstract paintings to audiences interested in my videos above. Include as part of this offer the handling of traditional objections in regards to buying paintings from artists in social media. Okay, let's see what it does. Never done this before, all right? Introducing, what's your name? Willow, okay? Willow's exclusive abstract art collection. Are you captivated by the vibrant colors, memorizing textures, and intricate details of abstract art? Then you're in for a treat. Dive into Willow's exclusive collection of original abstract paintings inspired by the very same elements showcased in our engaging videos. To celebrate the launch of this stunning collection, we're offering a limited time 15% discount for our social media followers. Use code, even give you a code, ArtLover15. Did you guys see me enter a code in there? All right. Whoa. Whoa. All right. So check it out. It integrated the usual objections, right? Now, we know you might have a few concerns about purchasing art on social media. So let us put your mind at ease. Quality assurance, money back guarantee, secure payment, worldwide shipping, art consultation. Not sure which pieces would suit your space best? Schedule a complimentary virtual art consultation with Willow to find the perfect fit for your home office. Don't miss call to action. Call to action. Don't miss this opportunity to own a one-of-a-kind piece of art that reflects your unique taste and style. Explore the collection at your website and bring the magic of abstract art into your life today. Remember to use code ARTLOVER15 for 50% off. Your home is just a few brush strokes away from becoming a colorful masterpiece. Okay. You guys understand now why I'm so obsessed with it? All right. Okay. Check it out. Create, 1 second, 5 Facebook ad variations with the above. And just like that, I have my copy for my ads. All right? So excuses don't really exist, all right? So that's just a little piece of what's happening in this world, guys. So just so you know, you gotta start using it. Right now it's free. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's a little piece of it, all right? So while we're talking, it's still giving us variations, right? It's insisting on that freaking 15% off, right? It's insisting on it, right? Something very important. If you ask this machine stupid questions, I promise you, you're gonna get stupid answers, all right? People say, oh, yeah, I've been doing AI, but I don't like the copy. Well, it's because your questions are stupid. The more broad you get, the more broad in general you get with AI, the less quality of the responses you will get. A tool is not gonna be valuable if people don't use it correctly. Just like a basketball for me has no value, right? LeBron James makes $30 million a year with the same basketball. What's the difference? The person utilizing the freaking tool. So you gotta know how to use that tool. Raise your hand if you're mind blown. I'm mind blown every day, guys. It is incredible. It is absolutely incredible. In any industry, there isn't a single person in this room, not one, that would not drastically benefit from using these tools. That would not dramatically be more effective and produce a lot more than what you're producing right now if you simply incorporate some of these tools that are available to us.